Hello guys, welcome to Indo Drama channel. So guys, are you aware of the world's most expensive materials? If you're not aware of it, no problem, you will get to know from this video. In this video, I am going to show you 7 most expensive materials exist in this world. So let's start this video. Number 7. Plutonium. Plutonium is cost around $4,000 per gram. In Indian rupees, 3,03,907 rupees per gram of plutonium. Plutonium is a dense silvery radioactive metal of the actinide series with atomic number is 94. Actinide series is a series of heavy radioactive metallic elements in periodic table. This table elements known as actinide elements. Plutonium is used as a fuel in nuclear reactors and as an explosive in nuclear fission weapons. Number 6. Taphate. Taphate is a gemstone, so it is cost around $2,500 per carat. That is 1,89,000 rupees per carat and $20,000 per gram. That is 15,19,000 rupees per gram. Taphate is a stone used for making jewels. It is very rare gemstone. Because of its double refractive ability, it is cost so high. Number 5. Tritium. 1 gram of tritium is cost around $30,000. In Indian rupees, 22,79,000 rupees per gram of tritium. Tritium is a rare and radioactive isotope of hydrogen. Isotope is the same element that contains equal numbers of protons but different numbers of neutrons in their nuclei. Hence, differ in relative atomic mass but not in chemical properties. Tritium is also used for nuclear fusion reaction, which is used for the application of energy generation. Tritium can be used in very expensive watches also, and it can be used in different purposes in human lifestyle. Number 4. Pinnite. Pinnite is a very rare borate mineral stone. It is very rare gemstone. 1 carat of pinnite is cost around $50,000 to $60,000. In Indian rupees, 37 to 45 lakhs, and 1 gram of pinnite is cost around $3 lakh. That is 2 crore 27 lakhs per gram of pinnite. Number 3. Red diamond. Red diamonds are the rarest and most sought after diamonds in the world. 1 carat of red diamond is cost around $8,80,000. In Indian rupees, 6 crore 68 lakhs. 5 carat, that is 1 gram of red diamond, is cost around $5 million. In Indian rupees, 37 crores 98 lakhs 83,000 rupees. Number 2. Californium. Californium is a radioactive chemical element. It is extremely difficult to isolate and store in a large amount. 1 gram of californium is cost around $27 million. In Indian rupees, 205 crore 13 lakh 72,000 rupees for 1 gram of californium. Californium is expensive because of cost of transportation, limited availability, and expensive production process. Californium is widely used in petroleum industry, and it is also used in portable metal detectors and to identify oil layers in oil wells. Number 1. Antimatter. The estimated price or the amount of antimatter is $62.5 trillion. We know that we are made up of matter. That matter consists of positive charge proton with a negative charge electron. Antimatter have antiproton, which is negative in charge, and positron consists of positive charge, so it is just opposite of the matter. When antimatter comes contact with matter, an explosion occurs with emission of gamma rays. Nowadays, antimatter is using for diagnosing the cancer, and this technique is called as positron emission tomography. Antimatter is one of the most interesting and advanced topic in physics, so I am going to do a detailed video in future also with this topic. Thank you for watching my video. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe it and press the bell icon near to the subscribe button so that you can get all the notifications of my videos. And thanks again for your love and support. See you in the next video.